In today's video, I will show how to fix Google not showing football scores problem. Method 1. Open your browser and tap on the settings icon next to Discover. Tap on Manage Interest. Tap on Not Interested. And from here, remove all topics you added to Not Interested and tap on Go Back. And tap on You're Interested. And from here, you will need to add football to your interest list. So tap on this plus icon next to football. And now check the problem is fixed or not. And our second solution is we need to clear our browser search history. So for that, tap on this three dot icon to the upper right hand corner. Tap on Settings. Tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Clear Browsing Data. And tap on Time Range and you can select last 24 hours, last 7 days. And make sure to deselect these last two options from here. You only have to select Browsing History and tap on Clear Data. And don't worry, it won't delete your password. And now check the problem is fixed or not. And our last solution is to fix this problem. We need to download an alternative app to see football score. So open Play Store and search here Flash Score and install this app to your device. Tap on Open. Tap on I agree. And here you will get football score. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.